how to check when your Discord account was made. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check when you have created your Discord account. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to discord.com, and once you're here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then, if you want to check when you have created your account, you need to make some adjustments over here. You need to simply go to your user settings, and from the settings, you need to scroll down and click on streamer mode and make sure that you have disabled your streamer mode. And once you have done that, you need to click on advanced over here and make sure that you have toggled on developer mode. Now that you have done that, you need to go back to your home page, and from here you need to click on your profile icon. Now you need to scroll down and then you need to go ahead and click on copy user ID. Once you have done that, we'll head back to discord.id. Now you can go ahead and add your ID number over here, and once you have done that, you need to click on lookup. And as you can see that I have created my account on Friday 18th April 2025, and it will even provide you the time when it was created. That's it. If you want to check when you have created your Discord account, this is the best way to do it. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.